There's nothing better than driving the car that you recently just built with your own hands, blood, and sweat. An even better feeling is being able to share those moments with the people that were there, helped you, and supported you through the process. Hello fellow viewer, today we're going to continue the vet series. We detailed the car in the last video, and today, on the first moments of driving the car,
It's a
policía.
Yeah, it's a cop, I know.
He's a friendly cop. That was an unexpected interruption, but yeah, last time you guys saw the car, we got it detailed. Now I want to share the experience of driving this car with my brother.
I lost my train of thought because of that cop. He was cool, but he gave us a little attitude. But I mean, it's alright. He's doing his job.
Yeah, he was complaining about my front plate and my tint, and I'm glad he didn't hear the exhaust because he would have said something about it too. But the plan for today is we're gonna let my brother drive the car. He's gonna do whatever he wants with the car. I'm gonna give him the keys.
Yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really scared too. It's gonna be my first time driving a Corvette C6, and I don't want to mess it up. You know, the thing that I'm worried about is the 1 to 4 shift, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing I'm a little bit worried about because I'm not used to it.
I'll give you the rundown on the car once we get inside, but I hope you guys enjoy the video and stay tuned.
You guys with the motorcycles? What motorcycles, bro? I'm like, no motorcycle, just 2 cars. And he said, oh wow, you guys have a camera out here. Like, he just, how hard is the clutch now?
You're gonna feel it right now.
Damn.
I'm
nervous.
Get in it, boy. Oh, here's the key.
I'm actually very nervous, y'all. I ain't gonna even lie. I don't want to mess up your beauty, but I'm ready. Let's do this.
Yep. Forget everything you know about the car. Forget all the times that it's broken. Just drive it. It's your first time. Enjoy it.
Oh, it doesn't gear? Holy shit, bro! This clutch is hard. This clutch is so hard. Alright, I'm gonna start it.
Start it up. How was the first startup?
It's pretty good. The car's shaking like crazy. I can feel the big engine right in front of me. Such a raw and weird feeling. Is this a rental? He really asked that, dude. Because he sees you young and shit.
He's out of pocket.
Yeah. Okay, yeah, I'm nervous, man. I'm really nervous. The clutch is so heavy.
It is.
Everything's vibrating. It's a short throw shifter, right?
It is. So you'll see why. You'll see the reason why I miss third sometimes.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go around the block because this is my first time driving this. It's so low, dude. It's so freaking low.
You look good. You look good on it. You should get one.
No.
He has the e-brake on.
Whoa, what the fuck?
Let's go.
Hey, edit that out.
Yeah, I'm gonna edit that out.
Man, this thing feels good.
Yeah.
Feels nice.
When you're driving it, you just appreciate the interior. It just looks so nice. Makes you feel successful.
So yeah, so simple, so clean. Nah, dude. You have to keep it. It feels good though. It feels really, really good. The transmission, the shifter, the steering wheel, everything, the handling.
I built it well.
You built the wheel, bro. Good shit. Oh my god, it feels so nice. I need one. Obviously, you gotta tune for the cam, so it's gonna vibrate a lot. And that's how nice. I guess you could say like a classic Golf feeling.
Yeah, it's like a muscle car, like really big engine muscle car, like shakes a lot, but it's also the motor mounts that I have on it. This is why I wanted to let you drive it. You know, I knew you would appreciate this a lot.
Yeah, this is so nice, man.
I want you to drive it in the street. We're probably not gonna get to it today. So if anything, we'll jump to the next day. You'll see us go somewhere. But the cop right now, he completely killed the vibe. And I think he might still be in the area trying to catch us slipping. So we can't drop the soap.
Yeah, we don't want to drop it. Because that's something he said. Hey, don't let me catch you driving this
Yeah,
around
and
here.
then he just like went this way. So we don't have problems with cops. Usually pretty nice to us. They usually appreciate the cars. But this one wasn't a car guy. You can tell.
Yeah, he was not appreciative of cars.
Can you see into my eyes like open doors?
Today's my day off. We're gonna make the most out of this day. We're gonna attempt to record in whatever daylight we have left. And we just finished working on the bug. Now we're gonna go drive some more and just redo everything, refresh. If we have to do this one more weekend, we're gonna do it as long as he gets to enjoy the car. So we're gonna pretend like this is the first time we're doing everything. You better act surprised. You better have a good reaction. Let's go.
I'm ready.
Let's go, bro.
Let's go. I'm scared, bro. It's like suddenly I forgot how to drive manual.
We're hitting some road now. Send it for the kids. I'm just kidding. Getting into the freeway right now.
Hey, I'm scared, bro. Now we're going into the freeway. Now you know how you felt when you drove the Mustang for the first time.
It's kind of the same feeling. You get a little bit scared when it's not your car, but
Yeah. And this is a really nice, expensive car, so.
what you mean the Mustang is more expensive than this?
Hell no. Mustang is just a Mustang. This is a Corvette, bro. This is heritage. Heritage.
It's like experience like how it pulls the torque. Go for it, bro. Go for it. I know you want to.
My hands are sweaty.
I know you want to. Just a little bit. Just try it out. Fourth gear. Yeah.
Feels nice. It's torquey.
Yeah. Oh, second gear it pulls like crazy.
Yeah. I've seen you. I don't want to experience that.
Let's turn off the silencer for a little bit.
Yes, please. Oh, yeah, it goes up so quick, bro.
Yeah, it just like climbs so smoothly.
Yeah, it climbs so fast. So swiftly. Yeah, it handles so well because it's so low to the ground. It's magnificent.
Driving the roads that we always used to drive when I had the Firebird, when you had the Jetta.
Oh yeah.
Now we're doing it on a Corvette.
Sir.
It's crazy that this car wasn't a million pieces a few months ago, and now we get to enjoy it together and just drive it and just have fun with it, make content with it. It just feels so good, honestly. It's like one of the best feelings.
Yeah, and you did it yourself, bro. Yeah, this car was all over the place, man. Like, it was chaotic, seeing all the mess and shit.
So knowing what you know about this car, would you get one?
Yes.
Yeah? Even after all the problems and all the complications?
Yes, I wouldn't work on myself because I saw how you struggle, and it was like a lot of hours of research on buying cars, waiting for the parts to arrive, all that madness. I will still get one if I had just stupid money to like do it, you know?
Yeah,
to buy it and pay somebody else to fix it, because I will not work on it like you did, bro. That's why I respect you.
At the end of the day, it's such an enjoyable car that it makes it worth it.
You might come up with some new problems, but at the end of the day, it's a Corvette, bro. And it's a car that not everyone has and that everybody appreciates, you know? It's a legendary car, man. And I agree that spending a lot of money in this car, or any car, at some point it becomes stupid, you know? It's just a money pit. But it's just part of having cars, you know, being a car guy. Other than that, this car is magnificent. I love it.
Do you think we should trade cars for a day? Drive this one to work, do your chores in this one, go shopping.
I don't know, man. I feel like driving the Corvette, it's a liability for me. Let's just trade the S2000 and the Integra for now.
With great power, there must come great responsibility.
Hey, Ame got her back blown by Green Goblin.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy that. And next up, I'm going to explain to you guys how much I spent to get this car to this point, running, driving with the performance mods. So let's go ahead and tell you all about that. Let's go.